Alright, what up guys? So today's Saturday. It is cold. It was raining. It was snowing. We got this tent up because I thought it was gonna be snowing a lot. Today my friend Juan is gonna come over, so we're gonna be doing the power, running it through there to the start and all that good stuff inside the car. Look how ghetto rig this is, but it works. Look at that. Put a steely there and a steely over there so it don't move. But this door's locked. But yeah, so I got back seats out. Don't mind the carpet and everything is dirty. That's all my music stuff. I gotta take all that out, rewire it up. But look at that. That's all my music stuff. Well, just the wires and stuff that go to the to the radio and stuff. So I just gotta put it back up into the dash and then I'll be fine. But yeah, so I got the back seats out because we're gonna be running. Let me just open up the car. Give me a second. Where my keys at? Yeah, so we're gonna be running the battery back there somewhere. I left this because he said that's not gonna be in the way. He asked me if I was gonna put the battery there. I said no because obviously I got my speakers and music and all stuff there. So I'm gonna mount it up over there, and then yeah, we're gonna run wires through here. I'm not even too sure how he's gonna do it, but he has everything laid out. I know the battery's gonna go back there. It's gonna go through here. My fuse box is in the glove compartment, so we're gonna put the wires there also, and then run it into the bay. And yeah, I'm waiting for him to come now. Yesterday, I did some work. So my steering wheel was shaking yesterday. Oh, I just hit my head so hard. Fuck on the car, shaking this shit. Yeah, so this was shaking a lot yesterday. And then I forgot to tighten the two bolts on the steering column that are literally right underneath here. So I did that yesterday. I put my side skirt on because it kept coming off yesterday. It kept coming off, so I bolted it the right way. I did that. Yeah, just did a little minor few stuff yesterday. And just waiting for my friend Juan to come. He's the one that did my battery stuff before. If you guys remember, a long time ago, he's the one that did the battery wires and all that stuff on my old build. He gave me new wires and stuff, and then my car didn't have any more starting up issues. So he's bringing everything, copper, wire, oxygen free, all that crazy shit. He's bringing it here, so he should be here soon. Just wanted to get in the car and make sure I have some solder and stuff. And yeah, we're just gonna wait for him to come and then continue. So I'm gonna head back inside. But shit has to get done no matter what. Has to get done. We can't be wasting no more time and stuff like that. So I'm gonna wait for him to come and then we're gonna continue. Alright, so from one to another, it's literally, you guys can see this, but put it this way. It's fucking snowing from 1 hour literally to another, and it was just good. Literally. This is my guy right here. This is my guy Juan. He's the one that did my battery stuff last time. He got all the battery shit. What's up? But I gotta get it done today because this guy right here is the busiest guy you ever know right here. So trying to get in contact, trying to meet up. It's super hard. He drives trucks, so he works overnight and then we're wrestling during the day. And we've been setting. How long we been setting this off for? For a month already? Not even. Truck driving life, man. So it's gonna be something. He's driving trucks, sleeping, and then I got stuff to do. He got stuff to do. So, and then today it wasn't even supposed to be like this. Good, but whatever. We'll get shit done right now. It is what it is. We gotta get it done. We'll just measure, and then we'll fucking torch shit inside the fucking. Inside the car, whatever we need to do. We got that stuff. So I put the tent up. My whole engine bay is getting wet. Getting all the snow in the hood. Alright, so I don't know what none of this is, but my guy right here, can you explain what all of this is for everybody that's watching? Because there's a whole bunch of shit right here.
We got terminals, we got cables that we don't need right now. We got everything else.
See that some heat shrink and stuff right there.
Heat shrink. We got a post terminal for something I'm gonna do. More terminals, more shit.
Jesus.
That's basically it.
Alright, so we'll start measuring and then get this bad boy going. We got the little custom heat right here. It's gonna do some little justice. I'm at it right now. What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Which one are you doing right now?
Negative terminal.
You're doing negative terminal. I'm trying to get as much as possible to explain the process so anybody that's doing battery relocation, but it's looking crazy out here. But we're gonna get it done though.
And
yeah, so basically I wanted to put it like somewhere around there.
where?
Like in the corner or whatever, somewhere where it's, cause I gotta get a tray too, so I gotta mount like a tray, but wherever you think it'll be.
I mean, anywhere that you go, there's a bolt somewhere, or you're gonna add a new one.
Let me get some. You got your phone on? I wrapped it. Only nice job right here. Oh, look how crazy this shit is, bro. Come in. Tanger's about to fly off. I think I gotta put some steelies on it. Sheesh. Look at this.
So am I every day.
I got the good heat going now. So, stop snowing a little bit now. We got the ground. We're about to do the other side of the power. Alright. Get it. Alright.
Where you think you're gonna need it?
Alright, let's see, I think battery's probably, I'm gonna try to put
bring
it.
it to here. Like that you got slack.
Yeah, alright, so let's, yeah, you know what, you're right, yeah, let's leave it like that, yeah. So let's just, I'm gonna just put it from right here like that, and then you just, got this big battery, new battery for my dad's job, so I'm gonna be using for now. I mean, it was a free brand new battery, so, and I'll keep this one, which will give me fucking more battery life, or just got like a little Civic one. Probably just end up getting like a little Civic one, but for now this we're gonna be using, just so we can know that we're getting the power and everything. All right, so got the measure. We left it with a little bit of extra slack, just in case we want to move the battery around or go somewhere else with it. And just for today, since it's way too cold, so what we're gonna do is he's gonna set everything up, have everything set the way it is, leave the wires like exposed outside, and then next week what I'm gonna do is take all the panels out and tuck everything in, because it's fucking freezing and it just started slowing down now, but it's fucking too cold for this shit. So yeah, we're definitely gonna do that, and then I'll just tuck everything next week, make everything look nice and good. And then I think what I'll do after that is hit up my boy Jeff to come do the relay for the fuel pump, and then yeah, as long as we know that the car, you know, turns on with power and everything, we're good. Shit's like a whole workout.
Yeah. You gotta keep it tight so it doesn't.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure the shit keeps. You guys can't see right now, but we're just perfect. What is this? What is this called again? This thing. This right shirt. What is it called? The sleeve. So he's feeding the sleeve all the way from that side, so we can cover the whole thing up. So Oh wait, hold it right there, hold it right there. Alright. So basically you gotta feed it all the way this way. Alright, so we wrapped up the power, putting some heat shrink on it, and then that'll be the power from the battery to the fuse box. Now we gotta do from the fuse box to the starter, and then from the fuse box all the way to the alternator. We fucking ran out of light. Alright, it's way too cold, so what we're gonna do now is just gonna just make sure everything on the car turns on, and then we're gonna just finish this up another day. Well, we got the 2 main wires. We're just gonna take measurements. He's gonna take measurements from the fuse box to the starter, and then from the fuse box all the way to the alternator. He's gonna make the wires, and then he'll just mail them out. He's in Jersey, so it'll come like in a day. And then I'll just set it up here when I get back home. I'll set it up, but everything for the most part is good or whatever. So we're just gonna get everything, I guess, situated from here, and then see what else we can do. Alright, let's see if we can give this thing some battery. I'm not sure. We're not sure if we need to connect the one from the fuse box or the alternator to get power, but I'm about to find out. Let's see. Oh, go ahead, Sean. Oh shit! This shit hasn't had power in so fucking long. At least I know my fucking thing worked. Oh, let's go. My fucking cluster, everything is on. Let's go. My lights work. My fucking lights work. Ah! Let's go. Hold on, let me take my hazards off. Oh, that's not even that. You know why it's blinking?
Why?
My alarm.
Oh, okay.
Yo, hold on. Let's go. Alright guys, so one ended up leaving. I got stuck here. Come on, my head looks gonna look kind of crazy right now, but I got power, right? So everything is working. I didn't get light here. Realize this plug right here. Got to see it. Wasn't plugged in, so I went crazy trying to do everything. I couldn't do it. Ended up taking this whole fucking shit out. Then this, the sunroof isn't working either, so I gotta figure that out, but I'm gonna have to do that another day. Alright, what up guys, what's going on? It's the next day, sunny, still cold, not as cold as yesterday, thank God. I'm not really doing anything today, to be honest. I'm only gonna put, I guess, the interior, well, the inside stuff back on. That's literally all I'm gonna do. And that's it. Yeah, I mean, if you guys saw yesterday, we have power. My sunroof isn't working, which I gotta figure that out. Figure out why the sunroof isn't working. But besides that, everything else is good. So yeah, definitely excited about that. So I know exactly how I'm gonna be running this also. So now that it's daytime, you guys can see, so that's the power wire, right? Obviously I gotta run this like behind there, take this plastic off, I'm gonna run it through there, up into there, out, and then like right here. So this is the fuse box, as you guys can see. So this is the battery one, and then there's this one right here, which you can see that one, the one that's empty. That one, I'm gonna run one from here. I'm gonna run it inside, all the way behind the carpet, behind all of this, and then out through a hole that I have like over here on like this side is like over here. I'm gonna run it out through there, and then I'm gonna connect it right to the alternator where it's supposed to be at, which is gonna be a nice tuck. You're not gonna see anything at all. And yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. But then I got this. For now, this is what I got. So this is a splitter. I believe it's a splitter. Yeah, I believe it's a splitter. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna mount this. I'm gonna mount it somewhere like around, maybe like down there somewhere. Probably mount it up like somewhere like over there somewhere. But this, I'm gonna mount it over there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this power wire and put it here. And then I'm gonna grab one of these wires. Probably like the shortest one here. Whatever which one is the shortest one. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna grab one of these wires and then run another one on top of this, right? So this one, so how can alright, let me explain it easier. This is gonna go here, right? And then I'm gonna connect this one from here to the fuse box like that to get power. And then, oh, this is perfect. So then I'm gonna grab another wire that he's gonna make me, and it's gonna go from here all the way to the starter, and then a wire from there all the way to the alternator. And yeah, it should be good from there. I'm not gonna do it today because it's gonna take a long time to like mount everything up and or whatever. But I already know the concept of how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put this shit back because I was trying to use this fucking wire here, and I forgot this is for the stock radio. The other wire that I needed was like down there somewhere, which thank God I found this. So all the list lights up, everything lights up. Again, my sunroof just isn't working. So I have to pull all of this back. Well, I just realized this shit is fucking cracked right here. These things always tend to fucking crack on myself. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Put this back, put the little stuff back, and then I'm gonna take this tent off because I do not trust this tent. Alright, just put the cable back. That does that. That opens it, closes it. You guys don't know, there's this cable right here. It goes all the way down to like a little, you guys can see it's like a little switch. I gotta plug this shit back up. It's not one thing, it's another. Alright, let me put this can. I can't do this with my left hand. Oh, I got it. Alright. It's in there. On to the next. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'll put everything back soon. This will be the cockpit. New rack feels good, everything feels good. All plastics back in. I gotta get a new radio. You guys see it, but I get a new radio, harness and everything, and then I'll be good. I still have like all the wiring from the old radio and stuff back here, which I'm gonna just get everything brand new. I literally have everything back here. Look at this. I gotta like untangle this, but yeah, all of this. Like I'm gonna. This is the one that was on there. I think I'm just gonna. I don't even know. I think I'm just gonna throw this out. This shit is so old. I'm definitely gonna just throw this out and get a new one. But yeah, music will be for another day. Well, not for another day. When the car's done, that's when the music. I'll worry about the music, but right now I'm gonna close out the video. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy. And yeah, next week we'll finish this battery stuff. And yeah, little by little, I'll get this radio stuff and shit out of the way. I'll get it figured out. I will just take everything apart. It's a lot of wiring messing here, but yeah. Alright, see you guys.